here we go. So this will be my first video, everyone. My name is Lady. I also go by the name of Zhalyn, especially on social media. But my real name is Michelle, for those of those who know me. But everyone, we're going to always go by the name of Lady. This will be my first video, as I said, on YouTube. And it will be for making a wallet. I have many different kind of wraps. I ask that if you have any, that you save them for me and hit me up and let me know. Leave me a message. Maybe you can mail them. Maybe I can mail you an envelope with a self-stamped envelope inside so you can ship them to me. But I'm going to make a white owl today. So how I start is I get 4 of these and I put them together. And I have my sewing machine here. So I am going to bring my needle down to here. And I am going to walk the needle. Walking the needle is turning the handle right here. And then I'm going to back stitch it because you always need to back stitch to reinforce your hold on whatever you're doing. Okay. So you put the first 2 together. And this is basically the step that I have when I am making a handbag as well. So I have completed my first 2 bags, and they will look as such. So I'm going to assemble the next 2, so it'll be a total of 4 altogether, and I'll be right back. Now I decided to come back before I finished everything because some people don't know about, in sewing. So this is where I first batch stitch. But I'm going to shorten this up because I want this to be a wallet. So what I am going to do is I'm going to cut beneath this line. And if you can see, I made an indentation right here just so I can take all of this off. So I brought up my back stitch. However, in the midst of sewing, I had to, I'm in the midst of having to change my bobbin. So I go in here, I take this out, and it is empty. So I have to wind this, and I'll show you how. For those that don't know how. You take this bobbin, and you place it up here on top of your sewing machine. Let me give you a better angle. Well, no, I can't. So, you have your string here, and you have this here. You scoop this over, closer to this. You pull your handle outward. You take your string, which should be here, and you unravel it. This should then be taken all the way out. And you will need to basically put it around here. Once it goes around here, it's a notch that's on top of here. Where that notch is, put the string in one of those holes and bring out at least a good inch so that you will be able to hold on to it. So I have taken the string You see the notch here? I pulled it through where the notch is. And I pulled at least this much. So I am going to take it and put it back on here. And I am going to push it back over towards this. Hold out enough. Pull my string around here so it just doesn't get caught everywhere, because it's gonna roll anyway. Now, you have to make sure your handle is pulled out and not pushed in, because these move. Okay? Once you do that, you hold on to the string and you press on your foot pedal and it begins to wind. Oh, but don't do that. Okay, so I finished doing my bobbin, and no matter how much I press on my paddle, it's not going to continue to wind. You hear that noise? It'll stop on its own. Okay? So you then take it from here, push it back over, push this back in, and you leave enough string so that you can cut it off. So I'm going to take my nippers here. I'm going to cut it off. Let's say about right here. With about this much string. Going to leave it going this way, which is towards your right hand. Got the extra string out. You'll take your bobbin and put it in there. So it's turning this way. Bring your string through. And you have redone your bobbin, which I really needed. Okay, back to making the wallet. Okay, so I'm a big Marvel fan. So most time I make my videos, I'll probably be watching my homegirl. Little Harley. So I have one more to attach to this, and then I need to get the lining. So I'll show you that in a moment. So I have a bit of scrap material, and I decided to choose in between here from all these different colors for it to cut off a piece of my blue, since the wrapper has light blue and yellow and white and silver and the tan. But I haven't really made one with a blue backing, so I'm going to use a blue backing this time. So I'm going to measure this and cut that same measurement